Hello, I'm going to talk about is or is not a good idea have a child. I think it's a good idea have a child, but in the appropriate time, because have one child is a new experience when you have to take care and carry out a lot of responsibilities where your life will change with these responsibilities. You can take a new responsibility of the woman very well formed. In this situation you can progress in your life as a person, as a mother. If you will have a child, certainly is a good idea, yes, but for the people that are prepared in their psychology, feelings, principally the age is very important, the age. Also, finally, if you have a child, you finish to taking a lot of responsibilities and you accept the idea that you are a mother, because the mother has a lot of responsibilities, more than the father, and you are going to increment in a positive form. Obviously, if you want to have a child, you have to feel the appropriate moment. The child have to feel responsibility, careful, take care, honest, love and protection of the parents. When the home is very comfortable, the parents and the child are going to be very happy since their mind, their life, their heart, and they feel love and they feel since their heart. Thank you.